Makes sense.
Okay, so I'm doing cross on white. I first noticed the red edge right here, and I noticed that if I solve it, then the green one comes here, and I can just solve the orange one and align the green one at the same time. After that, I solve the green one, and the blue one can be aligned like this. And then I would solve the blue one, but I noticed this pair, so to preserve it, I can do this to solve the blue one. Now I can solve this pair like this. I notice this pair, so to solve it, I can do this, and then insert it. I notice this pair, and I rotate, and then rotate back. And for this pair, I can take it out like this, and then insert it like this. And I have OLL and PLL. Dab!
Hi, so my solve was pretty crappy. I haven't even cubed in a while, but I'll still show my solution. So I see that the cross pieces are here, here, here and here. And I see that if I do a D and move this to a spot and this one to a spot, I do most of the cross. And I still have this piece remaining. So I'll do a D and insert this blue one, like the sensors are. And I do a D2 and solve the cross like I showed. But meanwhile, I tracked this piece, and I see that this will stay in a spot, and this will move here. So I do the cross like I showed, and I move to the left. But meanwhile, I see this F12 pair already made, so I insert it. Then I do this case like usual. Then I see these two pieces, so I do them like usual. Then I see these two, so I do the basic case with two sexy moves. Then I see this OLL, and I do a new and solve it. Then I am left with this G-perm. I did it like this. It was a pretty straightforward solve, not fancy at all.
Hi, my name is Andrei Panțu and I solved the cross on yellow. Those are the four edges. First I put this one and this one, then D2 and put this one and D prime. The first pair was this, then the second pair, the third pair, and the fourth pair, OLL and PLL and A-perm.
Alright, so for this scramble I will do the white cross. We have the pieces here, here, here and here. I'll first solve these two pieces together, like this. Then I will solve the blue one. My first pair will be this one, solve it in the back. then this is gonna be my next pair. So like this in the back. Then I have this pair. Solve it with F insert, then I'll have the remove insert at the end. Standard OLL and U-perm.
Okay, so for this scramble I did yellow cross. I had this edge, and this edge. So I held it like this. I did F and B, then D2, R, and aligned across. And I planned this in inspection. I saw that this edge is gonna be solved, so I did the D move and inserted this corner, and then this pair, then this one, and this, and then I had this OLL and the G-perm.
Okay, so I started on yellow and I saw the first pair in inspection, which was this one. And for the cross I did R, L prime, F prime, L to D, U prime. Now I did the first, after I did the first pair. The second pair was these two. For the third pair I did this one. And lastly, for the fourth pair, I took the edge and the corner out and just inserted them. Okay, so for all I did the U prime and with the regular arc and the G prime.
So for this scramble I did yellow cross. I have the 4 pieces here and I executed from this angle while looking ahead to this pair over here. The corner ended up here, the edge stayed in the same place, so I went straight into this pair. And while I was solving this, I noticed this corner and this edge, so I went straight into taking the corner out and inserting it here with keyhole. Then I solved this pair. Here I hesitated and did a few rotations, but solved this pair over here in the back. OLL and PLL.